Do you have a pirate with you?
I was gonna walk.
She wants to go walk the plank?
Yep, pretty much. Is it going?
Yeah. The whole time. Bum 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 bum. We need a sea shanty, like sailors would sing.
Would that be a cappella because they don't have instruments?
Yes.
There's people out there that can beatbox and make all kinds of really like musical noises, and it sounds like an instrument.
Yeah, I mean,
Like that's talent for me.
obviously, like pentatonics is amazing because
Yeah.
just the vocals and the way they mesh closely.
Learning that they're around these stumps. I hit my vacuum again.
Yeah, I've gotten twice. I've hit a stump close.
The heron, that's cool. Something's swimming up ahead.
Really?
I think unless it's a log floating.
Swimming?
Yeah. What is that? What is that? It's a beaver.
It's a beaver, babe. A big head like that and the tail behind it, that's a beaver. That's a legit beaver. Oh, and it just dove.
While I don't see it. You know what I
Yeah,
mean?
yeah.
It would be a disaster. Oh, there it is. I don't think. You should watch while I walk.
Oh, I saw it go up.
You see it, Liza? She saw it. It went in a hole.
I'm not surprised.
Are you sure it's a beaver or
Oh, it's either that or muskrat.
what are those things that they have at
Oh, nutria,
Nutria? Yeah.
which are big, like a rodent, like a huge rat.
Yeah, you can see his little hole right there.
Yeah, for sure. So yes, it could be a nutria. The question is, how big was the tail?
I don't know. It was quick.
You want me to crawl up in there?
No, I don't even want to stop. I might accidentally get in there.
Oh yeah, she would. It would be on, and that'd be horrible.
I don't want to disturb my home, you know?
Yeah, so they live up in there. So that's cool, love.
I thought it was a stick up. And I was like, no, it's moving.
Oh, a little bit of calm with no wind.
Let me have the camera so I can take some pictures of you.
Okay.
We're gonna go bump a little.
It's perfectly fine. Put that over here. So, I think it's set on video.
Video? I don't want to take video.
Okay.